Hey everybody, it's Neon. Check out this smart calendar clock I got here. This is to hang on our wall in our kitchen, I guess, so it'll kind of give everybody here in the household an idea of what's going on. It comes with a USB to USB-C plug. And I think it's like the e-paper kind of stuff, so it probably won't use a whole lot of power or LCD or something like that. But this is what it looks like here. We'll take off the paper, the plastic. And then we can say it's right now it's in the off mode. And it looks like it comes with a little stand so you can stand it up, a way to hold it and hang it on the wall. And then that's probably just, that's where you grab it to open it up there. That's it there. And we have a operation video here. We have, let's see, I can turn it on right here, like so. There we go. Now we are on with no sound. It looks like if I do it in the middle, it'll be on with sound. And there it is. So this is what it looks like here. So you can add our schedule. Okay, so I kind of figured out how this is gonna work for us. So the way it'll work is we'll set up a certain schedule for the day. So I would say, well, let me see, if I hold down this button here, we can say tasks. We have certain tasks to do. We can do work, we can have meetings. We can say, okay, every day there's a meeting at a certain time or date, and we can just set up our different times and days based on that. So I can just say meetings, and I can say or work. I just did okay. And then I can say when there's a time for work, I guess it would be 2025. And then it would be, today is the 6, 7, 8. And then, so I could say on 8/7, we have a work event at 12. Let's just say it's not at 12, let's just say it's at like at 8:04 a.m. So I'll go ahead and set that. And there we go. So now we have work set for 8:04 a.m. on the 7th. So it's kind of cool. So it kind of tells you your schedule and everything like that as you need it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it as I was doing it. But basically, to set it, you kind of hold down this, and then it gets into setting mode. What does this one do? I think that one's just to list your tasks. Oh, that's the one to set it there. So you can say work, meetings, work, tasks, appointment, reminders, birthdays. So you can set all these different reminders and things in there. You can say the birthdays and whatnot. So it'll just send you a little beep of a reminder on a birthday. So you'll just know who's, that it's a birthday. So it's kind of a cool little calendar, just hang up and kind of just have it sitting there going and just kind of give you an update. And it'll just let you know what's happening at any given day. So kind of cool little device. So I'm gonna say I like this little thing here. It's a nice little smart calendar. Thumbs up.